Hey guys, this is Henry here again. Alright, in my Telegram groups, I sent a signal buy XAU USD, and if you check right now, I'm making a whole lot of loss right now. But I am confident that this trade is going to be a very bullish one. Why? If you check below my chart, my Stoch and RSI is even telling me now that is a sell signal. Everything is pointing out sell. This is my 1 minute chart. If I check the 5 minutes chart, the 5 minutes chart is even showing me that it has overbought. Right now, it's going to sell. Do you understand? Now, if you check top here, this is my take profits 1857.968. Now, if my RSI and my Stoch is showing me in a 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes time frame that this thing has overbought, why did I now still send a buy signal? Yes, that is a good question. Why did Henry send a buy signal? Now, if you check, I have my moving averages. This is what you are seeing here. This 200 moving average is giving me a sweet buy. It's trying to tell me now that yes, there's a strong buy coming up. That's why I sent this signal. There is a strong buy coming. That's why I sent this signal. If you check, the 200 it has gone below the candlestick, and it is going below the remaining 3 moving average that is going upward to. Do you understand? In my 1 minute chart, if you see this kind of movement in your 1 minute chart, just get ready for a bullish trend. It's going to buy. I am well confident that it's going to buy. Do you understand? It may not give you the same thing in your 5 minutes. If you check my 5 minute right now, it is even above, because normally I do tell you that when your 200 moving average and your other moving averages are above your candlestick, you should look at selling. But when they are below, then let me use this 1 minute as an example. Just the way they are all below right now, the moving average, these 4 moving average are below the candlestick. What is candlestick? This red and blue line you're seeing here, that is called candlestick. Now, when your moving average is below it, you should be looking at what? A buy, a bullish trend. Now, this 200 moving average, as it has come below and is doing like as if it wants to curve like a curve sign, just know that there is a bullish trend coming. No matter what your Stoch and your RSI is telling you, once you see something like this from your 1 minute time frame, just get ready for a bullish trend. This is where I'm going to be. All of us will see it together. We'll watch it. It's already happening small. If you're a scalper, most scalpers would have been taking profit from all the profit they've been seeing. Now, most of you said I should do a video on my moving average and my indicators that I have on my charts. I already have a video talking about this moving average, how to set it. I have them on my Telegram group, on my YouTube rather. Sorry, you check my videos on my YouTube, you see when I talk about how to set my moving average. This is the one I use. This is what Henry Spirit FX use. I don't know what every other person's use, but this is what I use, and it has been working for me. Most of you in my free Telegram groups are testifying of my signal. Do you understand? Now I can put my money, I can bet on this that it's really going to be a bullish trend. It's going to go parabolic. Even as at now, I can start taking profits if I want. I can start taking profits if I want. Scalpers now will start scalping for profit. But right now, I have a target. I'm looking at, let me use this 5 minutes time frame to show you. I'm looking at taking profit at this top part. Now, I believe that the upward move that this 200 moving average is showing me here will get me to my take profit. It will definitely get me to my take profit. I don't know how long it's going to take, but I'm damn sure that take profit must hit. Now let's see. Okay, it's still dancing, but guys, I am sure I may not be able to hold on so long, but I might pause this video and wait a while, then I will resend you all, or we will just wait. Okay, while we wait, let me show you how to set this moving average up in case you don't want to go back to my previous video to watch them. Now, once you tap your screen, you tap indicators. Once you tap indicators, as you can see, I have the 4 moving average here. The first one is period 50 shift to 0, method exponential, apply to close, the style is black. When you go back, the second one is period 200. This is the 200 I was telling you about. Shift 0, method exponential, apply to what? Close. Style, this is green, I think. Yes. The third one is period 10, shift 0, method simple, apply to what? Close, style black. Then the last is period 30, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, then the style will be blue. Then that's all. Now let's now watch and see. Now, how does this moving average works? Once all the moving average are below the candlestick, just like if you count the first one which is the black, the second one the blue, now the 200 has already is crossing the 3, the last one which is black too. The 200 moving average is crossing the 3. This is trying to tell you now that there is going to be a buy, a bullish trend. It may not last for too long, but since it's on the 1 minute time frame, there will be a bullish trend. Forget about what is happening right now. It looks like it is selling. Do you understand? Now this is where your Stoch, if you look below now, this is where your Stoch is coming to play. Now scalpers, if you are a scalper, you need this Stoch. You need this Stoch, because every movement the market makes at every interval, the Stoch will tell you. Are you getting me? As you can see, the Stoch fell. Now it has gotten to the 20 mark, close to 0. It has fallen. Now what is trying to tell you, if you are using your 1 minute time frame, now you see that you start buying. Now once it has gotten to that point, it will reverse to change its head. Before you know it, to start buying. Do you understand? So scalpers, you need to use Stoch, even though you still have your RSI there, but Stoch is very, very powerful when it comes to scalping in the market. Do you understand? So once it buys to 100, 80 and above 100, you should look at selling. Once it sells to 20 and 00s, you should look at what? Buying. So that's what you are seeing happening right now. That's what you are seeing happening right now in the market. That's what you are seeing happening right now. So aside from that, the trend is going to be bullish. That is what this our 200 moving average is telling us here. The trend along the line was going to be a bullish one. Doesn't now mean that there won't be ups and downs. That's where scalpers can come in. Doesn't now mean that there will be ups and downs. There will definitely be ups and downs, but the up and down will be leading towards a bullish trend. So now once this happen like this with your moving average on your 1 minute time frame, just get set. It is really going to be bullish. I am sure of this. I'm not moved by anything that is happening right now. So I'm going to wait a while, so we'll see. I'm going to wait a while, so we'll see. So but just take note so that it doesn't look as if I'm saying something else or I'm showing you something else. Take note. Look at, I'm in loss, but let's watch and see what will happen. Let's watch and see what will happen. I don't know how long we all can wait, but I think waiting will prove a whole lot to us, whether this thing is actually working or not. Will this thing work or not? Let's watch and see. Now look below. You see the Stoch. If you look below now, it has already turned its head. It has turned its head. It will buy. Now this is for scalpers. Just if you know you want to be scalping, you want to scalp every day, you want to be trading, entering like over 20-30 trades, you want to trade every day, just install the Stoch. Now these secrets are things I'm giving you out free of charge. With this Stoch, you can make as much money as you want. So let's see. Right now we are still watching to see if this 200 moving average that has crossed these 3 other moving average will give us a powerful buy, or I'll be wrong. So let's watch and see, guys. I really don't want this video to be too long. I think I'll have to pause here right now. Let me pause. then I'll wait a while, then I'll add the video together. Guys, now we are up and running. If you check, I told you I was going to pause this video and wait for a while, then do another one. This is the new video. If you check the time right now, is 2:03. That means past 2. If you check the other video that I made, it was after 1:20 something. So approximately I waited for like if I'm not mistaken, like 40 minutes. If I'm not mistaken, 30-40 minutes before the buy can be so hard, or before the bull can run so hard, before the parabolic bull can move. Can you see right now, guys? This is the take profit I told you. Look at the profit you are making, over $1,500. Now, can you now believe me now that I have mastered this art? I know what I'm talking about. When my moving average gives me this movement, I already know it's going to be a buy. If you watch around this point, there was a consolidation. It was consolidating, coming down, coming up, coming down, but I already knew it was going to go parabolic. It was going to buy. So guys, if you're not in my Telegram group, I'll be pasting the link of my Telegram group in the description below of this video. If you are not following me yet, follow me now. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Click the like button. Do you understand, guys? Follow me everywhere. Follow me on all my social media platforms. You will so learn a lot from me. It is impossible for you to lose when you trade with me. It is not possible. Thank you, guys. Now, as you can see, it is working. So make sure you set this moving average. Not everybody may want to use this moving average. A lot of people use different indicator. Just use anyone you know you are comfortable with. Thank you, guys.